when we say how a country or how a region fare in this fight against epidemic, say COVID-19 in this case, we will look at the number of people contracted the disease and the people died from the disease. Both of this number, the United States is the most number in the world. You should be asking Bloomberg why they rank United States number one. What is their criteria for this ranking? I also have this question because from the report we have, as of yesterday, there are more than 35 million US residents contracted this COVID-19, and out of them, there are more than 620,000 died. If you use this morbid number and mortality number, yes, United States ranked number one in the world. That is the maximum number of people contracted the disease and died from the disease.
Blumenberg no es neutral. Blumenberg es la voz de la clase dominante en Estados Unidos. Y ahí está, por supuesto, promoviendo un interés económico, un poder real que esta clase dominante, que son los intereses de Wall Street, que es Bloomberg refleja.
تستخدمها سياسيا لتوجيه ضربات للصين والاقتصاد الصيني وتوجيه ضربات بشكل عام للاقتصاد العالمي واقتصاديات كثير من الشعوب الأخرى وإخضاعها للهيمنة والسيطرة الأمريكية.